All right. Welcome to an episode of. It's not really an episode, a gaming episode. But anyway, so I bought these two guns. Well, it's a buy one get one from Academy Sports. Academy Sports, right? It's about $289 for Taurus G2C and this Rossi RS22 rimfire rifle. Which I have no idea what it's about because I haven't seen any video about this gun, so we'll figure that out. Anyway, this is just an unboxing video since I took the guy in front of us forever to get off that one that employee that was, yeah, he was basically there just standing around and not letting me buy the gun. But anyway, let's go ahead and open up this gun first. Unbox this. Okay, what is that? Oh, instructions manual. There's the gun. Go ahead. I think it's like open. Yeah. Looks like a lock. Some paper and two mags. And here's the G2C. Wait, something's missing. What the heck? Okay, I watched some other unboxing videos, but I don't see. Where the heck? Could you check to see if there's anything? Is there anything in there? What? Okay, that's bullcrap. Okay, so apparently, so some other unboxing videos I've seen on YouTube, they have a 1 year subscription to NRA for free on this Taurus gun, but looks like I don't see that either. The guy from Academy named Michael, I hope he didn't drop it, or maybe they don't put them in there anymore. Anyway, this is the G2C. Looks okay. I didn't see any defects or scratches. That's just come on, focus. That looks like just pieces of cardboard. And everything is so greasy, they put like so much lube on it, or whatever you call it, packing grease or something. Anyway, that's the G2C. Let's move on to the Rossi or the RS22. Okay. Just put that there. Okay, so never had a rifle before, but some blue crap. Okay. I think this is the end. It's like a condom. They put it in a giant blue condom.
It'll be hard to get out.
It feels like the trash bag from the trash bag from like the trash bag from that you just said no. The trash bag from those doggy things, like really tough trash bags. What's this? Oh, that's okay. So this is the Rossi RS22. It has, it's like what kind of site? Whatever. It's like all green and plastic. I'm not really sure what it. Yeah, and this one's red. So, yeah. Anyway, the dog behind me is trying to poke me in the butt. Anyway, yeah. So it shoots 22, and where's the mag? Don't tell me the.
That's it.
What? Where's the mag? Or clip, whatever you call it. Magazine should be here somewhere. Oh, something dropped. Oh, there you go.
I found it.
Jeez. I was gonna say, that guy like jacked my stuff. Anyway, so it comes with one magazine. It's all greasy and gunky. Look at that. So nasty. Okay. So I gotta clean this up and shoot this gun tomorrow. Yeah, I'll shoot this with my brother and also the G2C. Yeah, we didn't have time tonight because it's almost midnight actually. Anyway, so this is just an unboxing video. Crappy piece of paper, cardboard. I don't have a rifle bag, so can I bring this to the gun range? I bet so. I think so. Yeah, I think so. Anyway, I'm gonna bring that to the gun range. That's so sad, but yeah. Anyway, oh, also this is $289.99 for a total of I paid $313 for it. $313 and something. The employee tried to charge me for a separate gun, $140 for this gun, then $289 for this gun. It was awful. So he looked at me funny when I told him it was a BOGO. But yeah. Oh, speaking of which, size-wise, yeah, comparison. I don't know if you want to see how big this gun is, the G2C. It's rather small. I was surprised how small it was. Let's see. So that's the gun, the G2C. Here's the PS4 controller. Really tiny. Oh, let's see. So it's really tiny. Yeah, you can't really see it properly, but it's about as long as your PS4 controller, and yeah. Anyway, that's all for now. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll make the review once I'm done shooting it with my brother. And also this gun, I'm not sure if I want this gun. This Rossi RS22. I might just see if my brother will buy it from me. Maybe $100 or somewhere. I don't really know where I can sell guns, so I'll try to sell this thing for $100. Hopefully that's worth it. Anyway, later guys.